Java to COBOL conversion 101, read COBOL data from Java. Converting Java code to COBOL involves translating the Java syntax and structure into equivalent COBOL constructs. Here's a general approach to performing this conversion. 1. Analysis and planning. Begin by analyzing the Java code base to understand its functionality, dependencies, and design patterns. Identify the scope of the conversion project and define the goals and requirements. Determine the feasibility of the conversion and assess potential risks and challenges. 2. Translate syntax. COBOL and Java have different syntax and language constructs. You'll need to translate Java code into equivalent COBOL code. Start by converting Java statements, such as variable declarations, assignments, conditionals, loops, and method calls, into equivalent COBOL statements. Pay attention to data types, control structures, and subroutine calls, as these may differ between Java and COBOL. 3. Refactor and modularize. Refactor the translated COBOL code to improve readability, maintainability, and adherence to COBOL best practices. Break down complex Java classes and methods into smaller, more modular COBOL programs or subroutines. Identify opportunities to optimize code and improve performance during the refactoring process. 4. Handle data conversion. Java and COBOL use different data types and representations. Ensure that data is converted accurately between Java and COBOL formats. Pay special attention to numeric data types, strings, dates, and data structures such as arrays and records. 5. Update file operations. Java programs often interact with files using specific file I/O APIs. Update file operations in the COBOL code to use COBOL's file handling mechanisms. Consider mapping Java data access methods to equivalent COBOL file operations or database access statements. 6. Test and validate. Thoroughly test the converted COBOL code to ensure that it behaves as expected and produces the same results as the original Java code. Perform unit testing, integration testing, and regression testing to validate the correctness and reliability of the converted code. Compare the output of the COBOL code with the output of the original Java code to identify any discrepancies or errors. 7. Iterate and optimize. Iterate on the conversion process based on feedback and testing results. Optimize the COBOL code for performance, efficiency, and maintainability. Continuously refine and improve the converted code to meet the desired standards and requirements. It's important to note that Java to COBOL conversion projects can vary significantly depending on the size and complexity of the code base, as well as the specific requirements of the conversion effort. Consider consulting with experienced developers or using specialized tools and frameworks to streamline the conversion process and mitigate potential challenges.